Got 2 minutes? Let me show you how to make card bases with no waste whatsoever. Hi, I'm Amy England from Scrap This Save That, and let's get started. So, if you have a regular piece of 8.5 by 11-inch cardstock, there's 2 ways that you can cut it. And I just happen to have both of my trimmers here to show you either, but it doesn't matter what you cut it with, just the direction in which you cut it. So first, let's do this. If we cut this piece of paper in half, what we're going to do is we're going to bring our measurement over to the 5.5-inch mark. We'll cut, and then when you take this piece of paper, just like this one, fold it in half. Then you're going to have a card base that can either open this way. This is an A2 size card. Or you can open this way if you want to get a little bit more real estate on the front of your card there. Now the other option is to cut your piece of paper in a long ways manner, and let me move this out of the way to show you. Instead of cutting the paper in this direction, we're going to turn it this way. Once again, remember this is 8.5 inches, so if we cut it in half, that means we're going to bring the paper over to our 4.25 inch mark. And cut it straight through so that you have 2 oblong pieces of paper like this. Now what that's going to do is it's going to make a card base. See, here's the piece of paper. You fold it in half, and now it'll make a card base that will either open in this direction as opposed to here, or you can turn it this way and it can open in this direction. So that way you have a couple of different choices, and since you would in theory be using both pieces of card for the card bases to make 2 cards, you have 0 waste. If you want to see more tips and tricks just like this cool one, please subscribe to my channel. You can also click on the playlist to get more of these 2-minute tips videos. Have a great day. Bye-bye.